Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having an amazing day. Have you ever sat down to work only to check your phone 5 minutes later? Or maybe you start studying, then somehow end up scrolling social media for an hour. You're not lazy, and your attention span isn't broken. The average person gets distracted every few minutes, and in today's world, your focus is under attack every single day. But here's the good news. You can actually train your brain to focus better, and in this video, I'm going to show you 4 simple exercises that can improve your concentration, increase productivity, and help you get more done in less time. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final exercise takes less than 2 minutes but can completely reset your focus almost instantly. Exercise number 1. The 5-minute focus sprint. Most people fail because they try to focus for too long. Your brain sees a huge task and immediately wants to avoid it. Instead, tell yourself this: I only need to focus for 5 minutes. That's it. Set a timer for 5 minutes and work without checking your phone, messages, or notifications. Once the timer ends, you'll usually find that continuing feels much easier. Psychologists call this reducing mental resistance. Starting is often the hardest part, and this simple trick makes starting incredibly easy. But if distractions keep pulling your attention away, the next exercise becomes incredibly powerful. Exercise number 2. Box breathing. This technique is used by athletes, military personnel, and high performers to improve focus under pressure. Here's how it works. Breathe in for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. Hold again for 4 seconds. Repeat this cycle 4 times. This exercise calms your nervous system and tells your brain that it's safe to focus. Many people notice improved concentration within just a few minutes. Simple, but incredibly effective. Now let's talk about the exercise that instantly wakes up your brain when you feel mentally tired. Exercise number 3. The 2-minute walk. When your focus drops, most people grab coffee. Instead, try walking. Even a short 2-minute walk increases blood flow to your brain and improves alertness. Research consistently shows that movement boosts cognitive performance and attention. You don't need a workout. You don't need a gym. Simply stand up and walk around your room, office, or outside for a couple of minutes. Sometimes your brain doesn't need more caffeine. It needs more oxygen and movement. And finally, here's the exercise that most people ignore, even though it might be the most powerful one on this list. Exercise number 4. The phone distance rule. Here's a shocking fact. Even when your phone is face down and silent, its presence alone can reduce your focus. Your brain constantly wonders, did I get a notification? Did someone message me? Should I check my phone? The solution is simple. Put your phone in another room while working or studying. Not on your desk, not in your pocket, not beside your keyboard, another room. You'll be surprised how much easier focusing becomes. Sometimes improving focus isn't about doing more. It's about removing distractions. So let's quickly recap the 4 exercises. The 5-minute focus sprint, box breathing. The 2-minute walk. The phone distance rule. None of these techniques require expensive tools, supplements, or complicated systems. But if you use them consistently, they can completely change your productivity. And here's something interesting. Improving your focus is only half the battle, because even highly focused people can still waste hours working on the wrong things. So in the next video, we'll talk about the productivity habits that help top performers get more done while working less. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.